Tuesday afternoon. Work's done, but there's a storm coming. Well, it's already here. It's a perfect time to test how waterproof is this thing. So yeah, let's go. The Osmo Action does not need a case because the unit itself is waterproof. So let's try if it's really waterproof. Anyway, this thing is still on warranty. So in case this fails, send me a new one, DJI. The controls of my bike are said to be waterproof. The Osmo Action is said to be waterproof. And so am I, from head to toe. Yeah, let's go! Oh, it's cold out here.